In commemoration of World Patient Safety Day 2023, the federal government has reaffirmed its commitment to ensuring patient safety within Nigeria's health care system. The Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, Daju, said the first ever national policy and implementation strategy on patient safety and care quality will address various aspects of patient safety, including improving patient and family engagement, medication safety, surgical safety, and others. Benedict Uku has more on this story.
Evidence have shown that patient engagement reduces healthcare errors, cost, and improves healthcare delivery. Active participation of patients in their healthcare decisions has been recognized as a key factor in improving overall health outcomes. The Nigerian government, in collaboration with World Health Organization, commemorated this year's World Patient Safety Day with a call to ensuring that patient voices are heard and their concerns promptly addressed. Speaking at the press briefing today in Abuja, the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, Daju, said with the renewed hope agenda of the current administration, efforts are being made on improving the quality of health governance, medical industrialization, and health security.
I am delighted to inform you that the Federal Ministry of Health is developing the first ever national policy and implementation strategy on patient safety and care quality, alongside our relevant stakeholders, with WHO leading. And this was sent to stakeholders on Thursday and Friday last week for a review and validation. This is being done in line with Resolution 18 of the 55th World Health Assembly, which called for member states to recognize the burden of patient safety and to set up policies to manage them. This National Patient Safety and Care Quality Policy, when finalized, will focus on improving patient and family engagement in healthcare, medication safety, surgical safety, infection prevention and control, safety of all medical procedures, etc. It is my hope that health facilities at all levels will adopt and implement this policy.
The World Health Organization's call to elevate the voice of patients emphasizes the importance of improving patients in policy, formulation, governance structures, safety strategies, and their own care. The Deputy WHO representative to Nigeria, Alexander Chimbaru, emphasized the need to scale up efforts to build and strengthen quality, people-centered, sustainable, and resilient health systems.
Let me start by congratulating the country for commencing the process of developing a national quality policy and strategy, which is actually ongoing right now. Big congratulations to the country. Policies are developed, but implementation becomes a challenge. That's an area I'm actually confident with the new dispensation that this is going to take place and shall happen. We shall protect our patients. It is crucial to fully commit to implement the WHO Global Patient Safety Call and accelerate our necessary actions to raise patients' voices in this World Patient Safety Day. I would like to conclude by calling on Nigeria to heed the call by our RRD to work together with other WHO member states to raise awareness, provide platforms for patient concerns, share initiatives and best practices, and take action to reduce avoidable harm.
Also speaking, the Director, Patient Safety Africa, Professor Sonny Isimede, emphasized the key role the national policy will play and the need to develop savvy care in every healthcare center.
We know about the Patient Bill of Rights. Patient Bill of Rights, number 12, says you have a right to make complaints. And when I scrutinized this, I found out that, yes, this is good. But actually what patients are looking for is not the right to make complaints, the right for their complaint to be heard and responded to appropriately. Moreover, not every patient is able to make a complaint. We have to be aware of those who are vulnerable. So I am discussing with the Federal Ministry of Health about a concept of civic care.
The theme for this year, Engaging Patients for Patient Safety, emphasizes the vital role patients, their families, and caregivers play in the safety of healthcare delivery. Nigerian government and World Health Organization said that they are committed towards a world in which no patient is harmed in healthcare and everyone receives self-care every time, everywhere.